In this example, you can see the dependent views and scope box added. Now you want to duplicate them. If you right-click and apply Dependent Views, the suggested views need to have same scale. If you copy to Floor Plan Level 2, the dependent views will be copied, but only the crop region. The scope box added will not be copied. With Duplicate Dependent Views, you can choose all dependent views or just some of them. Choose on what level or view you want to copy them and click Duplicate. You will now have your dependent views and connected scope box. This view scale is 1 to 100, and this view 1 to 50. You can have any scale you wish to duplicate your dependent views to, and choose what dependent views to duplicate.